Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lawnmower lift tables available on the market for their true quality. These tools make maintenance a breeze, and we've done the hard work of comparing them for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the electric scissor lift table by Lusu. This lift table offers a 260-pound load capacity and a height range of 7.1 inches to 25.9 inches, making it a versatile choice for a variety of tasks. What sets this lift apart is its 24V electric motor, providing smooth and quiet lifting with minimal effort required. The motor is controlled via multiple options, including an IPS S2 controller, a wired handle, and even auto lift modes for exhibition demonstrations. The build quality is impressive, with heavy-duty steel construction and a powder-coated finish for durability and corrosion resistance. At just under 38 pounds, the lift is relatively lightweight and portable, making it a great option for those who need to move it between locations. It also includes smart control features like obstruction detection for added safety, which is a thoughtful touch. While the performance is reliable, the 260-pound capacity might be a limiting factor for those with larger or heavier equipment. Additionally, the price is not readily available, which makes it harder to gauge value against competitors. This lift is ideal for homeowners or small workshop users who prioritize convenience and modern features over maximum load capacity. Pros include its smooth electric operation, multiple control options, and durable build. Cons are the lower weight capacity and the lack of price transparency. Coming in at number 3 is the D-Hool electric scissor lift table. With a 350-pound capacity and an adjustable height range of 8 to 27 inches, this lift is a solid choice for those who need a balance between performance and advanced features. The standout feature here is the upgraded motor, which operates quietly at only 30 decibels without load and 50 decibels at full capacity. This makes it a great option for environments where noise levels matter. The D-Hool lift table offers 7 different control options, including a wireless remote, wired controller, and even app-based control through the eWilling app. This level of customization is impressive and adds convenience to your lifting tasks. The sturdy steel frame ensures durability, and the pre-assembled design means you can start using it right out of the box. It also supports power options ranging from DC 24-volt to AC 100 to 240-volt, offering versatility in various power scenarios. However, like the Lusu lift table, the price isn't readily available, which makes it challenging to assess value for money. Additionally, while the 350-pound capacity is a step up, it still falls short for those with heavier equipment. This is an excellent lift for tech-savvy users who want advanced control options and a quiet, efficient motor. Pros include the wide range of controls, quiet operation, and sturdy design. Cons are the unclear pricing and moderate load capacity. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mower hydraulic lift table cart. This premium option comes in at $205.99 and offers a whopping 500-pound capacity, paired with a maximum lift height of 28.5 inches. What sets this lift apart is its premium hydraulic pump, which ensures smooth and controlled lifting without oil leakage issues. The wide foot pedal design makes operation effortless, while the hydraulic release lever allows for precise lowering control. The Mower lift table is built to last, with thickened steel construction and a powder-coated surface for rust resistance. It also includes thoughtful security features like limiter protection and an overload maintenance bar, ensuring safe operation. The addition of PU swivel wheels with a locking mechanism enhances mobility and stability, making this lift as easy to move as it is to use. This lift is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a heavy-duty, reliable lift table. Whether you're handling riding lawn mowers, garden tractors, or other heavy equipment, the Mower delivers on durability and performance. The only downside is that it's a bit heavier at 97 pounds, but this weight contributes to its stability. Pros include its high capacity, smooth operation, and robust design. The only con is its heft, which might make it less portable for some users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.